If you are looking for Scrum Certification quick tips, or if you are looking to find a job in one of the Scrum roles, or just want to learn more about Scrum and Agile software development, you are at the right place. Isn't it frustrating that you fail the Scrum certification again and again? Don't you hate when you are getting rejected in competition for one of the Scrum roles? Hi everyone, my name is Dijan. I'm professional Scrum Product Owner, professional Scrum Master, and Agile coach and trainer of trainers. Based on my previous experience, I have created this user-friendly course so I can help individuals and teams to get better results at what they are doing. This course saves money and it's short and clear enough, and you will learn what Agile software development is. You will find out what defines an excellent product, what product vision, product strategy, and product roadmap are, what Scrum framework, Scrum roles, responsibilities are, Scrum events, purpose, duration, what to pay attention to, Scrum artifacts, definition of done and acceptance criteria. I will present you my recommendation of Scrum certification, which certification body is best for you to choose, and how to pass the examination the easy way. You get your first job as a product owner, that's great. I will show you where to start on existing product or where to start if you are working on a new product from scratch. After all sessions, we will have a short knowledge test, like multiple choices questions. I promise you that I will not waste your time. We will be very productive and efficient. So let's start this Agile and Scrum journey right now.